Hi guys, in this tutorial I'll teach you how you can restore a website on Wix.com. So if you accidentally deleted a website and you want to restore it, follow this guide. So if you're on your website design page, simply go up here to Wix and click go to dashboard. So in the top left corner, go to dashboard. And then you should end up on this dashboard side, which looks like this. And again, I need you to go away from this side and go up here on the little arrow. So the name of your website next to the Wix logo in the top left corner. Click on the little arrow and click go to all sites at the bottom. So click here. From here, you can see all of the websites you have on this Wix account. So in this case, I don't have any Wix websites that I can recover. So for the sake of this video, I'm just going to try and delete a random one. So let me delete my site 2. Here's site actions and move to trash. And then move to trash again. So I'm just going to reload the website here. And now as you can see, I've gotten a new folder here, right here, that says trash. So if I click on trash here, then I can see all my deleted websites. So simply to restore websites, simply hover your mouse over and click restore site on the big button in the middle and click restore again. From here, we can go back to my sites right here. And it was site 2. So where is site 2? I might just need to reload it. Yeah, there we go. Now we have site 2 back here. So that's how you restore a Wix website. But as you maybe noticed before, you only have 90 days to restore a website after you deleted it. So for example, move to trash, it says that it will only be kept here for 90 days. After 90 days, the website is lost and you won't be able to recover it again. So just please pay attention to this if you have accidentally deleted a website. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Let me know if you have any other questions and I'll try my best to help you.